Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. This is the July 6th edition of the Carolina weather video here, and a hot, humid weather pattern remaining in place. During the 5 o'clock hour, there's a look from the Pier 14 area along the Grand Strand at Myrtle Beach. Quiet morning across the region. We'll also take a peek here at our Greensboro tower camera early this morning. The eastern horizon brightening as we get closer to sunrise. Pretty quiet Carolina morning underway. And there's a look down in Charlotte, the Dowd YMCA camera toward Bank of America Stadium this morning, where the temperature in Charlotte is at 70. The dew point still quite high at 67, so the humidity at 90%. Now, yesterday, hot, humid weather conditions, 96 degrees the high in Columbia and Fayetteville, 95 in Wilmington, 91 in Charlotte, 90 in Greensboro, 91 in Winston-Salem, 90 in Burlington. Even North Wilkesboro in the foothills at 90. Charlotte viewing area, 91 in Gastonia and Lincolnton, 91 in Albemarle, 92 in Wadesboro and Rockingham, even low 80s in many mountain spots. And we had some pretty big thunderstorms rumble through the foothills and down through the Charlotte metro. A number of wind damage reports through the Charlotte metro region yesterday. Some very, very vivid lightning, too. A lot of cloud to ground lightning with this activity yesterday. And also up in the Triad viewing area, had some issues with wind up in Alamance County. A couple of reports of wind damage during the 8 o'clock hour with a big thunderstorm up in that direction. Now this morning it's relatively quiet. Again, I'm cutting this video during the 5 a.m. hour. Not a whole lot happening around the Carolinas as a whole. Now you go westward, some areas of showers and storms from the Ohio Valley down through the Tennessee Valley. And that is with the disturbance. It's moving eastward. Here's the high-resolution computer modeling, the high-resolution rapid refresh as we go through today. And I don't think a humongous coverage of showers and storms making it east of the mountains, but there will be some. So we're looking at scattered thunderstorms, mainly mid-afternoon into the evening hours. And again, a couple storms could produce some damaging gusts of wind, so a lot of us included from the upstate into much of North Carolina in that Category 1 or marginal threat of severe weather for today. Here's what I'm going with for our rain coverage today. The mountains and the immediately adjacent foothills, probably about a 50% coverage, but then you're more like a 1 in 3 opportunity for rain in any one spot for the I-85 over toward the I-95 corridors this afternoon into early this evening. So there will be that chance today for a few showers and thunderstorms here and there. It's going to be a hot one. There's our highs this afternoon. And then you factor the humidity in. Take a look at these potential heat index values around the Triad viewing area up into the mid-90s. Charlotte viewing area very much the same. Even some upper 90s over in the Anson, Richmond County areas. Of course, not nearly as hot in the mountain zones. Now, as we get into tomorrow, again, some areas of showers or thunderstorms a possibility. Still a pretty hot and humid weather day for Friday, but changes begin over the weekend. Cold front works in here late Saturday. Still probably a few showers and thunderstorms due to the timing of that front. But behind the front, much drier air. There's your Saturday high. Still pretty muggy, too. But as we get into Sunday, watch what happens with our dew point temperatures as we get into Sunday afternoon. Probably a lot of 50s for dew points across the region. So that's a much drier air. That'll basically eliminate rain chances for a lot of the region during the Sunday and Monday, maybe even into Tuesday time periods. And a bit of a break from the humidity, too. I don't think anybody's really going to complain about that. All right, in the tropics, we do have a tropical depression now out there in the Atlantic Ocean. That wave we've been tracking got a little better organized overnight. It got the tropical depression designation overnight. So there it is, tropical depression 4. Pretty weak, only 30 mile per hour sustained winds. Moving pretty quickly to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. So here's the official National Hurricane Center track. Notice it stays quite weak along its life. Probably moving northeast to the Caribbean. Probably staying below tropical storm intensity. And at this point, as you get toward, say, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, if it makes it that long, it probably falls apart as it gets into a fairly hostile upper-level environment. There's the computer model guidance, west-northwest track overall. But again, long-term prospects for this not great. But we'll keep a watch on it at any rate. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Stay cool, and God bless.